morning po. Good morning. So, good morning, trainees. We are the trainers for this session. I am Sweet Supervisor Esteban.
And I am Marvin Ocampas, and the coordinator.
And I am teacher training Jasmine So before we start our session this morning, kindly write your name and signature in this paper for our attendance. I will give you 1 minute. Okay, so while we are waiting for the attendance, kindly
Start. Grade base. These modules provide comprehensive information on various types of food processing techniques used in the food industry to transform raw ingredients into consumable food products. So before we start to our introductions, I will give a greatest food.
Yes, we will give a pre-test para malaman namin kung may idea kayo or mga back knowledge about sa i-discuss natin.
Okay guys, we give you 5 minutes to answer the pre-test. Then after that, we proceed to our discussion. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, kindly pass in front.
Okay, so again, throughout this demo, I want you to feel free to ask any questions you may have, as I want you to ensure you to leave here with clear understanding on how to process on food processing in Surrey. So, introductions, for food processing in the transformation of raw agriculture products into food or of one form of food into other forms through various physical, chemical, or biological process. It involves a series of steps that will make food more suitable for consumptions, improve its life, enhance its flavor, textures, and appearance, and ensure food safety. Food processing can range from simple methods like freezing and drying to more complex processes like fermentation, scanning, extrusions, and the goal of food processing to create safe, nutritious, and convenient food products for consumers.
So our learning objectives is to understand different kinds of food processing methods. So food contamination during food processing, common utensils and equipment used in food processing, and prepare production report. So let's get started for our main topic. So the topics na i-discuss namin sa inyo is different types of food processing methods. So ladies, welcome to the food processing NCE. Food processing encompasses a wide range of techniques and methods used to transform raw ingredients into consumable food products. So, the next is, first is canning. Canning is a preservation method that involves sealing food in airtight containers and heating them to destroy bacteria, enzymes, and microorganisms. This process helps extend the shelf life of food products. Yes, so, familiar ba kayo sa canning? Ano yung mga idea ninyo, mga products na mga cans? Sardines, melon, jams, yan, asap yan. So our next is freezing. Freezing is a method of food preservation that involves lowering the temperature of food to below freezing point to inhibit the growth of microorganisms and enzymes. Frozen foods retain their nutritional values and freshness. So next is freezing. So example ng freezing natin is yung mga ilalagay natin sa ref, yung mga for example, yung mga karne, yung mga isda, yung mga chicken, na piniprease natin siya so that maghaba pa yung shelf life niya. Kasi sa mga yung doon, hindi siya ng mga microorganisms. So kapag nilagay natin siya doon is magtatagal pa yung kailangan natin siya pwedeng kainin.
So number 3, drying or dehydration involves removing moisture from food products to inhibit the growth of bacteria and molds. So dried foods have a longer shelf life and are convenient for storage and transportation. So sa drying or dehydration naman is familiar tayo dito sa mga dried fish, mga bulad. So di ba ang mga bulad is tumatagal siya for at least mga 1 month, kahit 1 month okay pa din siya. As long as na-prevent natin siya sa mga mainit na lugar, like ma-storage natin siya. Fermentation. Fermentation is a process that uses microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, or would like to break down the carbohydrates in foods, leading to the product or leading to the production of acids, alcohol, or gases. Fermented foods have unique flavors and enhance nutritional properties. So, yung example ng fermentation is yun yung mga tuba, yung atsara, and the kimchi. So, kung familiar ka sa kimchi, yun yung mga example ng fermentation.
The next is baking. Baking involves preserving food in an acidic solution such as in jar or dry, which process helps maintain the texture and flavor of the food while the heating growth and spoilage microorganisms. So, ang fixing is familiar kayo sa mga pickles. Yes, yung mga pickles. Minsan, nag-ano sila doon. Usually, naano yun siya kasi nilalagyan natin siya ng vinegar so that magkakaroon pa yung time niya. Lagyan natin. This is pasteurization. So, it is a heat treatment process that kills harmful bacteria in food products such as milk and juice when preserved in their nutritional value. It involves heating the food to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooling it. So, hindi kayo makita sa pasteurization. Hindi lang. So, ang sample ng pasteurization is milk. Yung mga dairy products natin, cheese, butter, yan. Then for our last is smoking. It's a method of food preservation and flavoring that involves exposing food to smoke from burning or smoldering material. Smoking impacts a unique flavors to the food and helps preserve it by inhibiting microbial growth. So sa smoking is usually yung mga sinusuban natin na isda or yung mga basta kasi yes, yung mga kanin ng baka, yung mga pwede natin siyang smoke so that maano siya. And ito na siya yung different kinds of food processing. Next, let's proceed to our activity. So, i-group namin kayo into 5, 6, 10. By pair. Sige, yung isa kasi na apat, dalawa. Sige, okay, pair. Then, sino yung participant ng bawat group is magdapit natin sa front para magpunta kung ano yung magiging activity. Okay, mag-alala, madali lang ito. Kasi, i-base lang namin sa na-discuss namin kanina, mag-i lang na kami ng ideas niyo kung ano yung ideas na kuha niyo sa akin.
Sino ba yung isa? Sino pag isa? So, ang gawin ninyo is, magbigay kayo ng at least 2 examples. Halimbawa sa fermentation, mag-give kayo ng 2 examples na anong product.
So, first, sino nakakuha ng kanin? Come to the front. Dito, lagay ka lang sa kabin. Two examples lang na
Advice.
Hindi, walang wait lang.
next is okay, next is weekly. Okay, next group is maturation. Next, for our lab, the naturalist is smoking.
Smoking. Baking.
Thank you for the participation.
So, sa tingin nyo, tama ba yung mga pinalagay nyo?
Yes. Okay, very good. Based on our observation is tama naman lahat. So, thank you dahil naintindihan niyo yung topic namin. Okay, so, the next activity na gawin namin is papakita namin sa inyo yung paggawa ng longganisa. Since, ang topic naman natin is food processing, so yung longganisa is ano siya sa food processing. So, ilagay na natin yun. Kung meron kayong sa bahay, ano pwede natin natin. So, pag-bake, pwede natin siya natin dito. Or kung wala naman, optional, yung mga cellophane na mga
Paper or yung mga SPDs na
Yan mamaya after namin mag-wrap, kung paano namin ipakita, mag-ano kami ng volunteer para gawin yun. Nangyayari lang hanggang sa mataas yung yan ang gagawin sa kalaki. Then after that, itatry na natin siya and gawa tayo ng lang na para-parehas yung haba niya or yung paring time.
Kailangan namin na yung dalawang volunteer.
Okay, gusto kailangan namin ng dalawang volunteer para mag-ano yung ginagawa namin para alam niyo kung paano ito.
Yes po.
Ilan yun?
So, before tayo mag-end, magbibigay kami sa inyo ng another quiz, which is post test, para i-compare namin yung answer nyo kung naiintindihan nyo ba yung topic namin. Okay, taas, tapos na. Thank you.
Thank you for your participation, trainees.
I hope meron kayong na-learn sa i-demonstrate namin sa inyo. Yun naman yung ano namin nila, nakalearn kayo from us. So, thank you for your participation again, and
So, thank you din. Sana matayo sa akin yung mga tahanan ang paggawa natin.
that's all. Thank you.